run to the car. You know what I'm saying? Got my boy Ron right here. He gonna do some work. Do some work on the car, man. Got some spark plugs, you know. Well, this right here is the coil. But I got gonna change some spark plugs and stuff. Have it running better, man. Yeah. Before I get that cold air intake put in, I'm gonna just make sure it's running good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what we finna do today, man.
Oh, you tuning them up, man?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what's up.
Spark plug, boy. Alright.
Hey, bro, how long?
Nice, boy. I try to keep it clean. I had cleaned it too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I had like wiped it down, cleaned it.
Oh, that's nice.
That was a couple weeks ago though. I cleaned it. You know what I'm saying?
Somebody got 8, man. That don't look like no 8 to me, man. That look like
what? Like a V8? It don't look like a V8?
No, I'm talking about you were saying the cleaning. I said that is clean, man.
Oh yeah.
Shit. Cause man, I'm gonna tell you like this. I seen some.
How the hell would they make this car front wheel drive? Nice car. It's the only thing I hate about this car, front wheel drive. What the hell was GM thinking? Chevy, whatever, man. What was they thinking about? They're crazy. Alright, so I know I gotta take this off. I know I gotta unplug this stuff. The electrical stuff. Yeah, I know this gotta come off.
You already got that too?
Put the guard on there. Yeah, man, it ain't easy, man. We getting there. Just a couple more parts. Man, we so close, man. So close for getting done, man, but it just started raining. We got to stop. But this little girl here. This little girl gonna be sick. That's all she wrote, man. We got it in there, man. It took us longer than we thought. Cause, you know, it just started raining and stuff, but man, we got it done, man. Appreciate my neighbor Chris, man. He looked out, man. He came and helped me with this, man. But I told y'all, man, it's up. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take it for a drive, let y'all hear how it sound, if it's a difference in how it sound or what. But I'm gonna take it for a drive and see what's up, you know. But yeah, K&N, man. Highly recommend K&N. From just the sound, it sound amazing already. But we'll see about the horsepower and torque and RPMs and stuff. We'll see how cool that air is that, you know, that it intake. So, but yeah, we're gonna head for a drive, man. Told y'all it was gonna happen. It happened. Paint y'all next, maybe. We'll see. Stay tuned. Yeah. Like that. Hit it again, hit it. You heard something? Oh, no, that's fine. Oh, man, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get it painted. I'm gonna get it painted over.
You seen that? That looks like a big ass chip.
That's alright. Go ahead. Yeah, tap it. Yeah, that sounds good. Y'all, I can literally feel the difference. It's so cool right here. It's so cool right here, and it's hot right here. All this hot air cannot get to this. Bruh. This is real. This is real, bro. I'm telling you. This is the real deal, man. K&N for the win. that sound.
Hmm?
Alright. Let's do it. Let's go for this drive. You put your seatbelt on.
I did not step on the water.
Good. Put your seatbelt on. Seatbelt. See. I want to see if it's a difference. Huh? Alright. Let's see. Alright. Take it for a drive. Put your seatbelt on. It's supposed to go across your chest, hasn't it? It's safe. So I'm gonna hit the gas a little bit. Ready? Oh yeah, that feel good. Got some throttle. Yeah, you got some throttle. Wanna go up here? Yeah, it feel good. It feel good, man. It sound good too. Let's see. It's definitely more arrogant in there. I like it. I like it. I like it. How it sound? You notice the difference? Hmm?
Yeah.
Let me hit it again. It's a 40 roll. Let's go.
But Daddy,
I love it.
you know if you hit the gas so hard,
I love it.
Dad, if you hit the gas so hard, it will go all the way to that,
What?
the down.
Which one? You talking about 140? What you talking about? What you talking about?
I'm talking about it goes all the way down
You do?
if you hit the gas so hard.
I love it, man.
140.
140. I feel the difference, man. It's a quicker acceleration. I feel it.
But how
Accelerate
can it-
real quick,
how
real
can-
fast. Look.
Dad, if you see a motorcycle
accelerate
that
faster.
is- I mean, if you see a motorcycle, that's
like it.
hilarious.
That's the end of this video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in today. Wait till the next one.